Films are like dreams waiting to become a reality. Hello, my name is Olaf. I am a filmmaker with over 2 decades of experience. I've made feature films and documentaries that I've written, directed, and produced. In this class, I will share my tips, tricks, and secrets with you. The more films I do, the more experience I gather. I've nothing to do with all this experience, and I want to give it away to you. When you get an idea for a film, that is a form of a message. Filmmaking is a way to decode that message. In this class, you'll learn how to write, produce, direct, and finish a short film. We will be side by side as I guide you from lesson to lesson through the steps that have enabled me to complete over 12 feature films. I'm going to be teaching you, or rather, you're going to be teaching yourself, how to learn filmmaking by doing your film independently. Regardless if you're a beginner or if you just started making your own films, this class will deepen your skill as a visual storyteller.
Starting in this course will be really easy because we're just going to be starting with your idea.
All you need for this class is a camera or even a phone, something to write on, and a computer to edit your material. We'll start with your idea. We move into outlining and into screenwriting, directing, cinematography, producing, editing, and coloring.
I'm really excited to share all my experience with you, and I cannot wait to see what kind of films you want to make.
See you in the first lesson.